All right, welcome back to the Thrifting Twins. Today we are at the Habitat Restore in Albany. Hopefully they have some goodies that we can resell on eBay. And don't forget to watch the video all the way to the end because we're always finding goodies throughout the whole video. All right, let's get and see what we can find for resale. Whoop. I think they have a sale today, 25% off. Let's see what Michael is looking at.
It's basketball player Nutcracker.
Oh, that's cool.
$2.
Oh, and a sign on the bottom. Nutcracker Village, 2001. 34. I don't know who that would be. But how much is it?
$2.
Oh, let's get that. Let's see what else we have.
Geisha girl.
Made in China. Made in France. Strawberries. All right, we'll check out some Christmas. Have some train ornaments. Those look kind of old. $2. I have a lot of ornaments already. What's that? $6. A Santa Claus. Oh, it's Willow Ray Studio. I know these kind of sell well. I think I'll get that. Little Santa and what's in the back? They look like geese. I don't see any damage, so I'll get that for $6. All right, let's see if there's anything new over here. That looks like it could be Port Marion. It's not. What about this? Oh, that's a hobbyist plate. Did a good job on that. It's $2. See what Michael found.
Vintage super shooter cookie maker.
Oh, nice.
I sold one last year for $50.
Oh, wow. Does it have everything in it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it has a...
It just has speed. Needs a lot of cleaning.
It's a good time to buy these. I think Mom has these. Yes, we'll get that for $4.
There's a sale.
Yeah, I believe 25% off. Hey,
25% off.
all right, let's see if we can find some coffee makers. Any vintage. This isn't vintage, but I believe they call this a mocha. I know it's made in Italy. $7. These sell for 15 to 20 new. I think I have one at home. This one looks old. It has a silver on it. That handle looks old. It kind of looks like it'd be from 1930s. I don't know. How much is that? $2. It's supposed to have a top to it also. It's plastic. Have a nice 1970s percolator. All right. All right, let's see what we have over here.
Oh, so I found this. It's a Lennox Gravy Boat Maywood.
Ooh.
I looked it up. It sells for about $50.
Oh, nice.
It's only $3.
Ooh, do they have more in the set?
No, I didn't see any.
I think we gotta go search for more. Do we have any more down here?
No, I didn't see any.
What's over here? No. No. Oh well. I'm good with a gravy boat. That's kind of nice. A little mid-century. Michael, look what I found. Suzanne Summers Buttmaster. Let me put this down. It's only $2. I looked it up and it sells between like $25. It comes with a VHS, which I hope is in there. But I'll take a chance on that. Reminds me of Three's Company.
This seems like a good basket too that I just found.
Ooh. That is nice.
Right? Feels good quality.
Yeah, it does. What about the bottom? I mean,
I think it's a real
what did they make that out of? Can't think of it. How much is it? $4. Right there.
oh.
Alright, we're gonna leave the basket here. There's just too much damage down here. And then on the handle. Still nice though. And most likely would have a lid to it. Oh well. Alright, so I found this cruel picture. I believe that's a cardinal. But look at all the colors on it. The purple, the pink, and blue. It definitely looks like it's vintage. Museum art shop. It's with the discount it'll be $8. So I think I'm going to get that. I gotta ask Michael first before I buy it. Let's go find him. Alright, so as I was looking for Michael, I found this really nice pillow. It's a 3D flower pillow. I don't see a price on it, but I'm gonna bring that. See what Michael also thinks. I really like the blue. All right, let me find Michael. Michael, I found more stuff.
Jeez.
Let me put this down and show you. 3D pillow. It feels like higher quality. It has the 3D flowers and the nice stitching on the side.
That's nice.
Then this cool vintage picture with a cardinal on it.
Yeah, it looks old.
So that would be $8. I feel like I could sell it for about $38.
You think so?
Yep. Museum art shop.
Albany.
I would even see that. I'm not sure if I want to get this yet. Do I feel like dealing with that?
How are you? 25.
Alright, doesn't hurt to look at some lamps. These are kind of neat. It's not edged. A nice brass chandelier. Not seeing anything new. Yeah. All right, let's move on. All right, I think we're gonna head out. We're gonna go to Goodwill or Salvation Army. All right, so we decided to stop at our favorite Salvation Army. Santa there. Let's check out this duck plate. Oh, it's sign on the bottom. Looks like there's a lot of crazing on it. Oh, that's fake crazing. You can tell I don't feel the lines on it. It's $1.99. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it. Right here we have, looks like Holland, hand painted blue Delft. $2.99. I'll get that. Is that a vase?
Candle holder.
A candle holder, just one. That's fine though. $2.99. Cool. Ooh. $1.99. That's newer. It looks like it's transferred on. And it's clear on the bottom. Let's check out this. Maybe this is Holland also. Oh, it's made in Japan. Let's look at the brown section, or all the wood. What are these? Look like roosters. $3.99. And this one's $3.99. That's too much. I'd pay $3.99 for the pair. All right, I think we're gonna head out to Goodwill.
Don't forget my boyfriend.
But we got the Holland vase and candle holder. And then Michael found these. They're mid-century modern backyard barbecue plates. They're $2.99 each. And I feel like we get about 50 to 60 for a set of 3. Those are kind of neat.
And they're in good condition for their age.
Yeah. All right, let's go to the Goodwill. All right, well, that was a short trip at Salvation Army, but we're here at the Goodwill. So discount is green tags, so hopefully we find lots of stuff with green tags on it. I want to take a look at that white statue.
Oh, yeah. It's like, I think it's 60.
Oh, it is? Oh, man. I think that's how much it goes for.
Yeah, we produced it last week.
Yeah. I'll have to wait till it goes on discount.
I think like 2-3 weeks.
Okay.
Because it was last week.
Mm-hmm.
Or no. No, this was this week. Last week. No.
This week I think was blue.
No, we're...
I know one of them was broken.
Take a look at these clowns.
Oh, yeah, that's the one that's busted.
right here.
Yeah, the hand.
Ron 1987. I think I showed you guys this before. I have a lot.
That one's broken.
There was like 1 or 2 that other
Broken
people
there.
bought.
And there's this one. 1986. That's a good year. And they're 40% off. So Michael found this Fenton vase. It's a Burmese, hand painted, and it's only $8.99. Yay!
Saw this right away.
I believe this glows under the black light, and those scratches can easily come out. I feel like we can get a good profit for that. That's our first item at Goodwill. See if we find anything. Just kind of skimming the shelves. Let's look at this figurine. Yeah. This little bunny. No. Look at these owls. They're pottery salt and pepper shakers. $2.99 each. So I think I'm gonna get the 2 brown ones. So I did find this Otagiri 1983. It hangs on a wall for $3.99. I looked it up. Someone has the same one listed for $12. I thought maybe it would go for like 20 something. So that's why it's always good to research items before you buy them. Because we made plenty of mistakes, right?
Mm-hmm. Now this has mid-century lamp.
Ooh.
1967.
Fortune Lamb, 1967. Oh. It's $49.99. That's a little bit too much.
All right, let's check out these Love Doves. Faith, Hope, and Love. Oh, it's a hobbyist piece. For $3.99, that's a little bit too much for that. Because people will buy this stuff, but man. So I spotted this piece. This is Fenton thumbprint pattern. That's $9.99. That's a little bit too much. The Burmese Fenton is worth a lot more. And then Michael found this Joseph Originals Japan music box for $5.99. There's absolutely no damage on that. It looks pretty. So I found this Left in September Angel, and I don't see any damage. All the petals are there, her wings are there, which are usually broken off. I don't see any repairs. And it's $1.99. So that goes in my happy cart. Look at this huge Raggedy Ann doll. Look at her. She's big. It's $14.99. Now I know the larger ones can sell well. I don't see a name on it. Or a tag. There it is. Applause. That looks like it'd be from... Alright, well, it sells for about $13, so we're gonna leave her. Alright, I figured I would check out the art section. First thing I spot is this. It's one of those silhouette. What does it say in the back? Handmade in Ireland. Walnut. Mahogany. $8.99. Is there another one? I don't want to spend $8.99 on just one. I would spend that on a pair. What do we have over here? Not too much. I wonder if they got rid of some of the stuff that wasn't selling. Oh, sand dollar. Looks kind of cool though with the seagulls. Alright, I'm not seeing anything. I think we're gonna have to head out. I don't know what Michael's looking at, but we got the Joseph Originals, the Lefton, the Owl Salt and Pepper Shakers.
These are cool.
I know I like them. And then my favorite find, the Fenton Burmese.
I almost want to keep it.
No, right? Alright, let's go check out.
Okay, so our total spend was rounding off $60.
Yeah, not bad. I'm excited about that Fenton Burmese vase. I feel like that sells for about $100, and we only spent $8.99.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!